Okay, first of all, you click on sign in. You sign in. You wait for it to load. Then you enter your username and password. Click on sign in. Click on skip. Wait for it to load. Good. Now you are signed in. Good. So you click on my orders. So first of all, before you click on withdraw, you have to first update your information. Before you click on withdraw, you have to first update your information. So you click on this. Good. Phone number, email address, file ID, center, placer, Ghana, payment, Momo. You're good. It seems everything is here already. Seems the member have already updated the information. This withdrawal means Ghana Momo and the phone number. So you go back and proceed. So now you click on withdraw. I click on withdraw. Now you can see the person is having cheap points. Person is having 36.58 CHY points. So you have to enter your withdrawal amount, the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 20 CHY points, and here you select the withdrawal method. So I click on it and I select. You have to select bank if you want to withdraw through mobile money, or the bank itself. You select bank. Don't select USDT or BTC. BTC is when you want to withdraw through Bitcoin. Yes, so this is the difference. So you click. So in this sense, I want to withdraw through mobile money. So I click on bank. So bank. Now select exchange rate. So you click on this to select the exchange rate, and it's Ghana cedis, GHS. Good. So you can see it has been converted for you here. The 20 CHY points is equivalent to 110 cedis, and the receiving bank is GHMTM Payment. The name is here, and the account holder number is here. So yeah, you ignore it, remarks, you ignore it, and then you click. You enter a payment password here. You enter the payment password here. Let's say the payment password is blah 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 blah. You enter it there, then you click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, that's it. You wait for your account to be credited within 24 hours. So now let's try this too. Let's say I want to withdraw through Bitcoin. So you select the BTC wallet. Now the 20 CHY point I want to withdraw through Bitcoin. This is the amount I'm going to receive. This is the Bitcoin. So now the BTC wallet, since I've not updated it in my profile, my BTC wallet is not here, so I have to go back and click on this to update my Bitcoin wallet. So you can see BTC wallet is not updated. It's not updated. So once you enter your BTC wallet over here, you click on save, it will automatically show at the withdraw session for you to withdraw through Bitcoin. That is the simple way to withdraw. Withdrawal is very, very, very simple. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for more updates. Bye bye.